In this lecture, let's talk about the challenges of being an Airbnb host. Being an Airbnb host can be a rewarding experience, offering the opportunity to meet new people and generate additional income. However, it is not without its challenges. Hosts often face a variety of issues, from managing guest expectations to dealing with property damage. Here are some of the most common problems Airbnb hosts encounter and tips on how to handle them. 1. Problematic guests. Not all guests will be easy to deal with. Some might be disrespectful, noisy, or fail to follow house rules. These situations can be stressful and can lead to disputes that negatively impact the hosting experience. Example situations: noise complaints. Guests who throw parties or are excessively loud can disturb neighbors and violate local noise ordinances. Rule violations. Guests may disregard house rules, such as smoking inside, bringing pets, or exceeding the maximum occupancy. Solutions. Clear communication. Clearly outline house rules in your listing and reiterate them during check-in. Security deposits. Require a security deposit to cover potential damages or rule violations. Monitoring tools. Consider using noise monitoring devices within legal limits to detect and address issues early. 2. Property damage. Accidents happen, but dealing with property damage can be particularly frustrating. Damage can range from broken items and stained carpets to more severe issues like structural damage. Example situations: broken furniture. Guests might accidentally damage furniture or appliances. Wear and tear. Frequent guest turnover can accelerate the wear and tear on your property. Solutions: insurance. Make sure your property is covered by Airbnb's host guarantee and consider additional insurance for more comprehensive coverage. Maintenance. Regularly inspect and maintain your property to keep it in good condition. 3. Cleaning and maintenance. Maintaining a high standard of cleanliness is crucial for positive guest reviews, but it can be time-consuming and costly. Example: situations: messy guests. Some guests may leave your property in a state of disarray, requiring extensive cleaning. Regular turnovers. High occupancy rates mean frequent cleanings and potential burnout. Solutions: professional cleaning services. Hire professional cleaners to ensure your property is consistently clean and well maintained. Cleaning fees. Charge a cleaning fee to cover the cost of maintaining your property. Handling disputes with guests over issues like refunds, damages, or rule violations can be stressful and time-consuming. For example, guests may request refunds for various reasons, such as dissatisfaction with the property or unexpected issues. Disputes over damage responsibility can lead to tense interactions. To manage these situations, keep thorough documentation, including photos and communication records, to support your case in disputes. Utilize Airbnb's Resolution Center and support services to mediate disputes. Managing expectations is crucial. Ensuring that your listing accurately reflects your property helps avoid negative reviews. Misleading descriptions or outdated photos can lead to guest dissatisfaction. Guests may expect amenities or features that are not provided. Be transparent and honest in your listing descriptions and photos. Communicate with guests before their stay to clarify any questions and set realistic expectations. Navigating local regulations and legal requirements can be challenging, particularly as laws regarding short-term rentals are constantly evolving. Some cities require permits or licenses to operate short-term rentals. Hosts may also be responsible for collecting and remitting occupancy taxes. Stay informed by keeping up to date with local regulations and ensure you comply with all legal requirements. Consider consulting with a legal or tax professional to navigate complex regulations. While being an Airbnb host can be a lucrative and enjoyable endeavor, it's important to be prepared for the potential challenges. By setting clear expectations, maintaining good communication, and taking proactive steps to protect your property, you can mitigate many common issues and ensure a positive experience for both you and your guests.